Hi there guys, I'm doing an unboxing for the PowerPort 2 with power delivery, and it's also got a Power IQ USB plug in there. So that's the box. It comes in a white box. I bought this one from Amazon. It was on Prime Day. Let's take out the box here, pop that there next to Mr. Deadpool. Got some welcome guide there, some warranty information, not happy, so I've got that there. So this is the power delivery USB-C plug. Now this is 50 watts, or sorry, 49 watts. It's got a 30 watt output at the top, power delivery, and it's got IQ2 output of 19 watts on the bottom one. So that's that one there. Put that there. To use it, I bought the Anker USB-C to Lightning connector. So that's that there. I'm going to take that out of packaging. Put that there. So that's it there. This is the 2-meter one in white. Looks quite strong. I'm going to test these out, and I will let you know how they work out in a future review. I know a lot of people say that you shouldn't use any other company's USB-C to Lightning port except for Apple's. So I'm going to test this out, see how it works, and get back to you. Thank you guys.